YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dom2Bad, aka Deanna Nicole, and today we are going to do an unboxing haul of Fashion Nova. So these are just some clothes that I bought for vacation, or just, you know, if I want to get cute and go somewhere, or for my birthday because it's coming up 4/20, you already know. So yeah, I might do some of these unboxing hauls throughout the year and the little stuff that I purchased. So if you want to see more videos like this, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna get right into this video. Okay, you guys, so let me open this up for you guys. And we are going to get right into it. Got a couple of things that I purchased. And you know, I got some cute little dress up outfits, some little swimsuits or whatever. So yeah. And I got a cute little night outfit too. So let's start off with the shoes, you guys. I had to get some more sandals or whatever, because the ones that I did buy from Fashion Nova, I don't know, I'm gonna have to show y'all those, but them things kind of hurt my feet. Y'all let me know if some of those slides that y'all purchased from Fashion Nova, did it hurt y'all feet? Because it hurt mine. I'm not even gonna lie, I couldn't even walk down Ocean Drive with them things. But I'm just keeping it real, y'all. I'm keeping it real. But okay, so these are my slides that I ordered, and I think they are called, okay, you're not getting it sandals. So these had, I thought these were so cute. Let me show y'all. Oh, okay. Aren't these adorable? They are some cute little rhinestone sandals. They're real simple. You could probably put these on with anything, but I'm definitely feeling these. I'm gonna actually, I might order some more sandals, y'all. Hopefully these are comfortable and they're not like the other Fashion Nova sandals I bought. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all those. I'm gonna let y'all see.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, so let me show y'all these sandals. Boom. These are the Fashion Nova sandals I ordered. When I tell y'all, I could not walk down the street with these, because the little part right here, the little thong part, it was hurting so bad. It was hurting so bad, y'all. But hopefully these are, you know, better. And I'm trying to figure out, did I get these from Fashion Nova? It don't say it. I don't know if I got these from Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Thing. I'm sorry, y'all, but whatever, y'all, these sandals right here, I don't recommend. I'm sorry. I'm just keeping it real. Okay, so those are the you're not getting it sandals. Super cute, fashionable, can put on with anything. My next, my next shoe are some heels that I purchased, and these heels I was gonna put them with my little night outfit, but I don't know if they go or not. And these heels are called Coming Through Heeled Sandals. And I usually wear a size 7, but I ordered a half size up. I like to look at the reviews just to make sure that I'm getting the right size for my foot. Because I know sometimes you can get the exact size, but they can run kind of big or small just depending on how the shoe is cut. But these are, let me show y'all. Hold on, let me show y'all. These are so freaking cute. I love the metallic on these. I like the little pointy heel. I can do some cute white toes with these, you guys. White goes with everything. And I love the clear heel on it with the clear straps. It's just a classy shoe. Y'all let me know. If y'all like these, let me know. These are such classy shoes. And it might go in my outfit. I don't know. We're going to see. But yeah, These are gorgeous. Like I said, I might do a part 2 so y'all can actually see how it looks on me. And yeah, let's get into the outfits that I purchased. Okay, you guys, so let's get into these swimsuits. When I tell you I'm gonna be fine for the summer birthday, I'm just fine anyway, so you know. But y'all know how y'all be when y'all put on your bathing suits, some swimsuits. Okay, so I got like a bright color, and this is super cute. It's a 2-piece, and it is called Euphoria Bikini Set. And I kind of, when I seen it on there, I kind of liked it. So I think I got a small, you guys. Yeah, I got a small. Ooh, okay. So I don't know. When I put these on, we're gonna see. I really like wanting to do a part 2 of me trying on these outfits, and I think I'm gonna give it to y'all. So y'all just let me know. But this is a small, this is the top, and this is the bottom. This is super cute, super comfy, and I hope these, okay, these bottoms look okay. Okay, yeah, so you know we gonna go get waxed up, everything. Y'all know how it be when y'all have them bathing suits on. Just nice and clean, you know what I mean, for the summer. But yeah, this is the Euphoria bathing suit. So they definitely have different colors. I wanted the lime green because I like to stand out. That's just me. And yeah, it's still simple, not too much. I think like when you put it on, it shows like a little bit of the boob at the bottom, but we're gonna see how that goes. And yeah, I don't know, this kind of do look small at the top, y'all, but I hope it fit perfect. So we are going to get into bathing suit number 2. Bathing suit number 2. It's a three-piece set that I purchased, and it is called, what is it called? Vixen on Vacation. So yes, eventually you know what, you guys, I need to go to Puerto Rico. Forget all that. Let's go to Puerto Rico. Forget Miami. I go to Miami so many times. I'm kind of like, I want to do something else. Puerto Rico, wherever, you know what I'm saying? Overseas somewhere. So this is the top. The top is strapless, and it is super cute, and it look like, oh, this is gonna be perfect. This looks like it's gonna be it for me. And hold on, let me show y'all these bottoms. Now these bottoms, they look a little grandma-ish. Bruh. I'm not even gonna take no story, but hopefully these are the bottoms. I don't know, y'all. This is a small too. Maybe I should have got an extra small. I don't know. But hopefully my butt, you know, I do my squats, they get big enough. But if I put them on, I'm pretty sure they look, I just hope they don't look like a diaper on me, y'all. So let's just pray. We're gonna pray that, you know, my butt is big enough to fit in. I am kind of little, petite, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. But yeah, these are the bottoms to the set. And they also have like a cover-up jacket, like a little, this is real cute. I'm not even gonna lie, I love things like this. Kind of like a kimono in a way. It with the splits in the back. It's so island vibe. I love this. Yes, yes, yes. Look at this, like how the splits come in the back. I love the print, the pattern. I'm very floral, as you could tell. I love roses. Anything type of flower, roses, I'm so into. You check out my tattoos, roses everywhere. But I'm digging this. I just pray that the bottom part don't look like grandma panties. I'm just gonna keep it real, but we're just gonna pray everything works out. And yeah, I'm gonna show you a cover up that I have, and that cover up that I purchased, it could probably go to the first swimsuit set I bought, the Euphoria, the lime green. So I'm going to unbox that and show you how it looks. Guys, so I did buy a cover up, you know, just, you know, I don't want everything just hanging out all day long. But this is it right here. It's called Sparkle Brighter multi-waist swim cover up, and I bought it because it kind of matched my shoes in a way, because they had the little rhinestones on it. So I am going to open this up. once I figure out how to, let me see, oh, okay, down here. Okay. Ooh, okay. Sparkly, I love sparkle. Open this one up. Ooh, okay. So yes, it's just a little cute little stomach cover up. And I'm feeling it. I just love, like I said, when I go out, I like to stand out, y'all. Y'all know me, I like to stand out. And it's just, it looks like a little net or whatever. But once you put it on your body, it's gonna span. It's gonna be super duper cute. And look at it, y'all. Look how it sparkles. Oh, I love it, love it, love it, love it. And I'll definitely, like I said, I will put it over that first swimsuit that I purchased. And with my little slides, my little rhinestone slides, and I'll be popping all down on the beach, wherever I'm at. I'm gonna be popping anyway. But yeah, this is how it looks. And now we're gonna get into these night outfits, just going out, you know, out and about. And let's go to the next fit. Okay, you guys, so let's get into these last two outfits that I purchased. Let's start off with this one. So this one is called Start the Show. And it's a rose gold type dress. Because I love rose gold. Gold just looks so good on my skin, guys. Like, I don't know, with the gold. I just like gold in general. Rose gold in general anyway, in gold too, either or. But this is it. Real cute, real, you know, real simple. This is an extra small, matter of fact. It's extra small, and I'm glad I got the extra small because it just look kind of big to be a small, you guys. Like, an extra small. This look like a small, but I'm glad I got the extra small. Like I said, make sure you guys read those reviews. Like, that is very, very important. Like, if you don't read them, you're gonna be, I don't know how to say it, assed out, you feel me? But sometimes it be like that when you don't read it. But I make sure I read those reviews. And this is super cute. I love the bag. I like the material. Very sparkly. Like I said, I love sparkle. I love anything that's gonna make me stand out. It has the straps, as you can see, with the zipper on the back. Oh, and it has like a little piece right here, guys. Before you unzip it, you have to unhook. So it's like a hook, just to make sure you have that extra security when you have this dress on. And I could tell, like, it kind of like in the front, it kind of like comes down just a little bit. And y'all, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. Let me know if y'all feeling this rose gold dress. Let me know, because I'm definitely feeling this. And like I said, it's called Start the Show. I'm definitely going to start the show with this one once I put it on. Trust and believe. Okay, so we're going to get into the second Fashion Nova night outfit that I purchased. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, this is the last item. I think I ordered like 7 items, so this is my last item. And of course, you know, I'm going to say the best for last, of course. And this is called the Hit the Block. When I tell you, I'm going to hit the block in this, period. So we're going to look at this Hit the Block dress. And the reason why I bought these, when I seen it, I absolutely love the colors and the patterns on the dress. And it's extra small as well. And it's like a 2-piece set. So this is the skirt. Okay, very spandex, kind of spandexy, which is a great thing. So it stretches. Definitely stretch. I don't know. I feel like I put this on, they gonna be like, yo. I'm crazy. Yeah, don't mind me. I'm just silly. And this is the Hit the Block, and I understand why they call it Hit the Block, because of the block patterns, the rectangles, and everything in squares of the pattern of the dress, the lavender. And I got a cute purse out. I got a cute purse to go with this too. And this is the extra small as well. I'm gonna show y'all the top, y'all. Top is super duper cute. That's why I really fell in love with the top. Y'all, look at this. Do y'all see this top? Do y'all see the hit the block top? I'm telling you, I'm gonna hit the block real soon in this. Y'all will see me with this on. But this is the top. I love how it has like the, you know, the little crosses. So it's kind of like opens up in the center just a little bit. It's not showing your chest, but you know, just like a little peekaboo, you know, a little surprise or whatever like that. And I love how it kind of drapes down and it ties up right here. And yes, I'm just feeling this whole outfit. I really am. I think it's no, okay. But yes, I'm feeling this whole two-piece set. Like I told you, I'm gonna definitely do a try on haul. This is just unboxing. So yeah, let me know what y'all think about this hit the block outfit. Should I hit the block soon, you guys? Let me know if I need to hit the block soon with this one. Yeah, so that was my Fashion Nova unboxing haul. I hope you enjoyed the outfits that I purchased. If you want to see more videos, please make sure, like I said, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram, DymeD2Bad, DYME, the number 2 D BADD. DymeD2Bad. Hold up, did I say that?
Stop it. Get some help.
My bad. DYMED, the number 2 BADD. You know what, and I'm gonna put everything down in the description below, even if I messed that up. I'm sorry, my mind, sometimes I be thinking 100 miles per hour, then I start talking and it just be like, I'll talk before I start thinking. So y'all excuse me, I'm gonna put everything in the bottom in the description below. And yeah, if y'all want to just stay tuned for more exclusiveness, more everything. Oh, y'all also follow my business page too, Raw Trends Boutique 777. And yeah, I just hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed me, and see you later, trendsetters. Bye. I love you.